Hello, my dear friends. Are you also struggling to recall the information you have read in the examinations? Then it's not a unique problem. It's a very common problem humans are facing. And it's also because of the technology that we are bombarded with so much information at one moment that we're not able to process it and able to utilize it in our life. So it's not a unique thing, it's a very common problem. And as we are all preparing for the examinations at various levels, it is schools, universities, entrance and government examinations, so it becomes very important for us to recall particular information in the examinations. So in this video I am going to highlight various things related to it, and in this video we are also going to fix this problem of revision and recalling, and this will going to help you a lot. So first understand that what examinations requirement, that is two, and one is foundation, another is revision. For the foundation you all knew that we have to be very precise with the resources, as well as we have to be very deep dive in the important concepts of exams that is recurrently asked in the examinations, and we have to also stick to the resources, means limited resources, so that we can focus on the revision. And another is the revision. Revision play a very important role after the foundation. When you revise things again and again, it help you to retain that in the exam, because we have a tendency that we forget 60 to 70% of information within the 1 hour of reading it, and around 70% after 24 hours, and around 90% by a week. So it becomes very important for us to revise things. And talking about the human brain is made in such a way that it has a, means it's called the neuroplasticity, means when we able to generate, when we able to recall things, the mind strengthen the synaptic connection between the two neurons, which help in the examinations. And it will also, when the things get strengthened, such type of neuroplasticity, the brain get conditioned and it becomes synergized with you in the examinations also. It will have a same system. Initially you will not able to recall, but with the time you will able to recall, you will able to connect dots very easily. That's called the neuroplasticity, and it help human brain to retain information, to connect the dots and generate the solutions of any problem. That's a very important thing. And another is called the illusion of competence. You ask anybody, he will say that I have read that and I am very well aware of particular topic. Then ask him, can you explain me, whether he will able to explain it or not. The thing matter more here is that that's called the familiarity. You read more and more, means you have made the notes, then you revise it and revise it. You get familiarity with the notes, but not the mastery. And mastery come with the things that I will going to share in the upcoming videos. That's called the techniques to recall. So these are the some of the mind and some of our, means human tendency, that we have to understand first. Now let's talk about the techniques, how you can help, how you can improve your revision. And I will also going to share my personal experience of the CDS journey, in which I cleared the 4 CDS examinations using the same techniques. So first I build my foundation, and then I list down all the topics that is asked in the examination, and then I also made the brackets before that topic, and I specifically written down how many times I have revised it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it helped me to build my confidence that I have revised it. Then the next stage is the active recalling. There are various ways you can do active recalling. You can take the paper and write down whatever you have read about this particular topic in paper. That's a bit very hectic, and it's also very, means not, it's a very boring task. But to make it more interesting, you can also pick up the PYQs and question related to the topic, and then started attempting it. It will going to help you in recalling the moment, recalling the information you have read from your notes, and you will also develop that aptitude, especially aptitude to solve the questions in examinations. You can also fix the time whatever given in your examinations also, like 9 p.m, then you will also means 9 a.m, then you will also going to sit at 9 a.m and attempt these questions, so that your mind get familiarity with the exam, with the environment, with the time, and it will help you a lot in the examinations. For your active recalling techniques, you can do flashcards, you can also take the pyqs and questions, and the best moment or the best thing is you can also teach the similar or same concepts to the other students. That will going to help you to retain the information for the longer duration, because you have output, means you have given input and then output. That's called the very important thing, important techniques of any revision. That's why the teachers at various universities, in the various coaching institutes, they able to generate information very quickly, because they have been teaching since long, and they have retained, they have recollect this information so many times that it become very integral part of their life. That's why the recalling is very important. You can read so many things, but if you are not able to generate that particular information in examinations, then it's the waste of time. So be very precise in choosing the resources and then revising it with the help of these techniques, and that will going to help you. Another is the space, space, not the it is called the, you can divide your revision part in 2-3 days, means you can revise and then next 3 day, 5 day, 15 day or 30 day. It will be, means since once you got to forgetting the topics, your mind or you will recall that particular topic within particular time frame, so it will not let you to forget the particular information. So these are some of the techniques, and it will going to help you a lot in your upcoming examination if you follow them honestly. And it helped me a lot, and even I am following these techniques today also. You can see this paper in the on this paper, I have written down what are the topics that generally asked in the examinations. It is related to the polity, in which I have made the brackets as well as the boxes, and also I am attempting the pyqs that helping me to recall things. I'm also writing down things when attempting questions related to the particular topic, so that my mind got familiar, means not familiar but get mastery over the particular topics, so that I not forget in the examinations. Hope you will follow me, and this topic, this information will help you. And for the more such type of contents, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.